You're right, Anya, and we're back once again with another fairly quick DIY project. I'm Joel from Average Joel's Joinery on YouTube, and today I'm going to run you through the step-by-step process of how to make this modern rocking horse out of plywood. Right, here's some tools that you're going to need for this project. For the materials on this project, we're keeping it really simple. The majority of the pieces for the rocking horse is going to come from this 18mm plywood sheet. I'm going to get my PPE on, and I'm going to come round and start the cut from this size. Now I've got the plywood cut in half, it's going to be a lot easier to handle. We'll be able to get all the pieces for the rocking horse out of this now. We always use the first piece we cut because that way we can get rid of any little mistakes we might have made when we was cutting the other pieces. Again, I just need to make sure that it's nice and flush against the edge, and then we can use a pencil to mark our final cut line. And with that piece cut, we've got our 3 pieces ready to glue up to form the seat block. So with those in place, we're going to add some screws just to hold it together while the glue dries. Right, it's time to get a bit artistic. Now you can go with any design you like on this. The 2 most important features are going to be the curve to the rocker and the height of the seat. Just make sure you've got a nice arc for the bottom, a correct height for your seat, and a nice comfortable height for the handholds later on. Right. So we've got the design to the rocking horse sketched out, it's time to get it cut. We'll be using a jigsaw for this. So that's our second side cut. You may notice that some of the plywood has started to chip out on us. That's no problem, we can either fix that with a bit of wood glue or super glue and even add a bit of filler later. So then we can give all the pieces a nice sanding, get all the edges nice and smooth, and then we can get it assembled. With those pieces sanded, I'll get some wood glue applied to the centre seat block. We'll drill some pilot holes through the sides and we'll get it secured together with some screws. I can do the same on the other side. Now we can add a bead of wood glue on this angled edge. And that's the rocking horse taking shape. It even rocks as well. Next thing we're going to do is going to get these holes filled, and then we can look at getting the seat sorted out. I've waited until now to cut the seat shape because it's going to be interacting with where the front of the rocking horse falls. With the edges nice and smooth now, we'll be able to get it fitting into place. And it does fit. That's the benefit of making the structure first, then offering it up and getting it marked. If we'd have measured and marked, chances are it might have been a little bit out. So the next thing we're going to be doing is cutting the 35mm dowel. This is going to be for the handles and the footrests as well. And then we can thread this handle through. For the main body to the rocking horse, I'm going to be using a cream furniture paint. This is ideal for this application, but of course you can go with any colour you like. With the grey paint applied, that can go on drying. In the meantime, I'm going to clean up some of the overspill of paint that I've got on the footrest and the handles, and then we can apply the wax. With the wax applied, we can put it to one side, let it dry, and then that's the project done. So there you have it, a DIY modern rocking horse project which is achievable even if you're just starting out woodworking. You don't require a garage full of tools or a lot of materials. If you fancy giving it a go, please feel free to share your builds with us on social media. We'd love to see what you get up to. That's it from me, catch you on the next one.